Well, now when it comes to Arctic sea ice, low amounts can mean trouble. If too little ice forms, it means the Earth absorbs more heat. And this winter's sea ice growth is among one of the lowest amounts ever recorded. Meteorologist Chelsea Ingram is joining us for tonight's Einstein Healthcare Science Center report with more on what this means for our forecasts.
Well, that's exactly right. In fact, the sea ice that surrounds the Arctic fluctuates with the seasons. During the winter months, it grows until reaching an annual maximum extent, usually during the months of February or March. And this year, researchers say an alarming trend continues. Arctic sea ice grew to its winter maximum this month, peaking at 5.59 million square miles. While that might sound like a lot, it's actually the second smallest amount on record since satellite measurements began, and only 23,000 square miles larger than the lowest extent ever recorded, which occurred just last year. So why does this matter, and how does it affect us? We spoke to Climate Central's Sean Sublette for more.
The trend in the Arctic sea ice continues to go down over the past 30 to 40 years. This is especially visible in the satellite era going back to 1979.
The melting of sea ice isn't just a result of warming temperatures. It can actually feed back into the overall warming of our planet. As sea ice melts, the ocean absorbs more heat, allowing temperatures to rise, and the cycle continues.
There's an old adage in climate science that what happens in the Arctic doesn't necessarily stay in the Arctic. But as you warm up the Arctic, that temperature contrast between the United States and the poles goes down a little bit. So the jet stream becomes a little wavier. And it's those wavier jet streams that lead to bigger storm development, like the bomb cyclone we heard all about.
Changes in Arctic sea ice also affect ocean circulation, alter shipping routes, and contribute to coastal erosion.
We're not so concerned about sea ice being gone during the winter anytime soon, but in the summer, when it's at a minimum anyway, not really soon, but in the coming decades, a good substantial part of the Arctic could be ice-free.
And to put the amount of ice lost this winter into perspective, it's kind of like losing states the size of Texas and California.
But
I thought it was really interesting too when he was talking about how it pushes that jet stream, so it can mean these stronger storms and the cold.
Absolutely.
And because you were giving us that example of the jet stream coming down, and that's why we're getting all that cold for a while.
That's right, and all those clashes create those big storms.
Interesting.
There you go, all connected.
Thanks, Chelsea. Appreciate it. All right.